Would you like to learn how to get a loan for the vehicles on your dealer lot, which is what we call a dealer floor plan? In this series of short dealer videos, I'm going to explain what a dealer floor plan is and how you can obtain a dealer floor plan right now. Hello, I'm Dallas Johnson with Dealer Training, and if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. If you are a licensed dealer or if you're interested in obtaining your dealer's license for the first time, our content is designed just for you. So please consider subscribing and hitting that notification button so you can view content for dealers as soon as it's uploaded. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a coupon code so you can download our 134-page dealer training manual for free. It contains a wealth of information for you, and I'll show you how to download that absolutely free. So a dealer floor plan. A floor plan is a loan for your vehicle inventory. It is a plan to finance the vehicles on your display lot, which sometimes we call a floor. So you may be able to obtain a floor plan from a bank, and there are many floor plan providers listed in the back of the dealer manual that you might be downloading here in just a moment. A floor plan is basically like a revolving line of credit. So your bank or your floor plan company may give you a $50,000, $100,000, or even a $1 million floor plan. Although I recommend always starting small with like a $10,000 or maybe a $20,000 floor plan. After you obtain a floor plan, you may then purchase your inventory with your floor plan, and when you sell a vehicle, your floor plan provider will require that you pay off the portion of the loan that was used to purchase that vehicle. So, for example, let's say you purchase a vehicle at a dealer auction for $5,000, then sell the vehicle the following week for $7,500. Well, the bank's going to require you pay that $5,000 plus interest on the floor plan while you keep the $2,500 profit. A bank will charge you a certain amount of monthly interest on your unpaid balance every single month. So, if you carry an average balance of $25,000 on your dealer floor plan, your bank may require interest payments that amount to about $175 a month. Most dealer auctions will also have a type of floor plan they would like to offer you when you obtain your dealer's license. So Manheim's is a great dealer auction, and they have a floor plan program called Manheim Financial Services. And I always like to say, hey, I'm not associated with Manheim. Manheim's not paying me, but I think Manheim is a great company. And obviously, you've probably been in their dealer auction several times. But they have Manheim Financial Services. This is basically a line of revolving credit that you can use at Manheim auctions. Odessa has one at their auctions as well. So they can provide financing for the vehicles you purchase. So you can purchase your cars at Manheim. Then Manheim will advance you the total amount needed to pay for the vehicles so you can immediately take them back to your lot and sell them to your customers. But one thing I do want you to be aware of, you need to be very, very careful of floor plans because floor plans have put countless dealers out of business. And I've personally seen, many dealers get their license for the very first time. They'll get a large floor plan. They'll go into the dealer auction. They'll buy 20 or 30 cars so they can start big. And the only problem is that sometimes the interest that you pay every month on a large floor plan can end up being much larger than what you expect. And you might have a couple of slow months, which could lead to you not being able to make your payments, which could then lead to your entire inventory being repossessed by your floor plan company. And that's something we certainly want to avoid. When you get into the dealer auctions, you're going to see sometimes several newly licensed dealers that give top dollars for numerous cars at the first auctions, and then you never see them again. And we want to make sure that never becomes you, okay? So my best advice to any person in this business, especially getting into the first time, is start very small. Start very small. So, you might want to get a small floor plan for like $20,000, which would allow you to buy 8 cars for $2,500 each. And when you begin selling your vehicles for the first time on a floor plan, you should see the vehicles, sell the vehicles for a smaller profit, maybe pay down your balance a little bit quicker. And this will give you additional credibility with your floor plan provider. So when you request a larger floor plan later on, you'll be able to be quickly approved. So, once you become established, you might want to apply for a larger floor plan and seek higher profits on each vehicle. But, always be prepared to make payments on your floor plan, even if you have not sold any vehicles. So you should try to have at least 6 months minimum floor plan payments on hand in cash, just in case you cannot make payments for a few months, or if you have an extended sales drought with 0 sales for a few months. That doesn't happen very often, but it can happen. And, I'm not trying to scare you from or discourage you from obtaining a floor plan, but I always recommend keeping your floor plan manageable. So, I've helped train dealers all over the United States in a classroom environment on dealer law. And on occasion, I'll help someone get their license, and a month or so later, I'll drive by their lot and I'll see 50 cars on their lot with balloons and salespersons running all over the place. And then I'll drive by a month later and the lot is empty, the building is for lease, and the dealer is no longer in business. And this usually happens because the dealer was not able to pay their floor plan. And nothing against, say, for example, a dealer auction that offers you a floor plan. They've got nothing to lose, because if you stop paying on your floor plan, then the dealer auction could just repossess your inventory and run your vehicles through the dealer auction next week. So, and then someone else can buy them on their floor plan the following week. So I always want you to be very aware. Floor plans kill dealers every day. So be very careful with your floor plan. Maybe you're starting out with a floor plan. I started with a floor plan, and with a short amount of time, I was able to pay my floor plan down, and then I had a cash inventory. So there was only a really short period of my dealership where I actually had a floor plan, but you should always have a goal to have a cash inventory. And when you have your vehicles paid for and you don't have a floor plan, then obviously you're always going to keep higher profits. So, you can normally get a floor plan at a dealer auction, or you can go to Google, Bing, or Yahoo, type in floor plan providers. And as you see here, you're going to find numerous companies that will provide financing for your inventory. So just make sure the floor plan company you're using is compliant with state laws in your state. So, to ensure your floor plan company is able to operate in compliance in your state, you should contact your dealer license regulatory authority, whoever they are, whether they're your DMV or your DOT or your DOR or your MVD. There's a lot of different types of regulatory authorities. And here you see all the dealer license bureaus, contact information for the states from Alabama through Maine. And then here on the next page, you're going to see the states Maryland through South Dakota's contact information. And finally, you're going to see Tennessee through Wyoming. So these contact offices and phone numbers are also listed in the back of the dealer manual that you'll be able to download here in just a few moments. But on a final note, I've been in this industry for many, many years, and I've owned a profitable dealership. I've trained thousands of entrepreneurs just like you on dealer law in a classroom environment all over the United States. And one thing I've learned, if you maintain 100% compliance, which means you follow every rule, state law, and guideline with your dealer's license, you'll maintain 100% profits in this business. So ethics, integrity, and compliance will take you to the very top of this industry. So now I want to show you how you can download your free 134-page dealer training and profit manual. We normally charge $19.95 for this manual, and I want to show you how you can download it absolutely free. So you just go to our website, dealertraining.org. Once again, that is dealertraining.org, and you go down the bottom there, click on the blue Download Now button, and here you see this little coupon box. You'll need to enter our YouTube channel name. That's youtube.com/dealer training. Once again, that's youtube.com/dealer training. Enter that into the coupon box. And as soon as you hit that apply button, you're going to see that $19.95 charge over there to the right is going to change to a zero. So you'll be able to download the manual for free. So, hey everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. Please view the other videos on the Dealer Training channel. And if you found value in this video, or if you found value in the manual that you downloaded, I would like to ask you to please share the video. Please consider subscribing, and please consider hitting that notification bell. So, hey, thank you very much, and good luck with the operation of your dealership.